A group of villagers in Jharkhand are protesting because the Jharkhand government's pilot project has replaced the public distribution system with a chaotic direct benefit transfer scheme, and villagers have been forced to go through the hassle for rations. In October 2017, the Jharkhand government began experimenting with the DBT scheme. Under this scheme, people receive money in their bank accounts to buy food instead of going directly to ration shops. The central DBT scheme was launched by the UPA in 2013 and was accelerated heavily by the NDA in 2015. The NDA also increased the number of beneficiaries under the scheme from 1 crore to 10 crores in its 2015-16 budget. But the situation on ground is not as promising. 97% respondents of a survey conducted on ground in the Nagri block of Ranchi are not happy with the direct benefit transfer scheme. Basi Orain has not been able to buy rations for 2 months because the DBT gets credited to her husband's accounts who's working in Punjab, and Orain is not allowed to access her husband's account.
अब अपना पैसा रहते हैं तो उठाते हैं और पैसा नहीं होते तो राशन भी छूट जाता है।
किसके नाम से आता है?
हमारे हस्बैंड के।
हस्बैंड के नाम?
हाँ।
तो आपके हस्बैंड कहाँ पर हैं?
वो पंजाब में है।
तो आपके पैसे हस्बैंड मतलब डीबीटी के पैसे आपके हस्बैंड के अकाउंट में आते हैं?
हाँ।
Puju Mundane's DBT money gets transferred into her 10-year-old grandson's account for reasons unknown. Her grandson has to miss school every time they have to withdraw money or even check their account balance.
जब ये बच्चा नहीं जाएगा तो हम लोग के पैसा नहीं मिलेगा।
ऐसा क्यों?
पता नहीं। इस बच्चा जाता है तो साइन करता है तो पैसा मिलता है।
तो इसके खाते में पैसे आ रहे हैं?
हाँ।
In May 2015, the Central Food Ministry discouraged states from adopting DBT model for PDS. But the Jharkhand government went ahead with it, and the scheme has become a hassle for the poor. Prakash Kachap, a resident of Nagri, was told by the Pragya Kendra of the Jharkhand government that his DBT money is being sent to his Airtel wallet. When he visited the Airtel store, he was told that the government has stopped the scheme and there's no money in his wallet.
मोबाइल में पैसा देंगे बोला, उसके बाद में गए तो उसके बाद नहीं अब गवर्नमेंट बंद कर दिया बोल।
People in Nagri have also been threatened with notices for not buying rice from PDS within time, but no one seems to acknowledge the failure of the DBT scheme at large.